Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to fix this lesson, but before fixing that, I need to close that thing and create another copy of this. Okay, wait here. For creating this, I'm going to use the crop option. The crop option has many functions that is useful. When we are going to crop it, it shows us how we want to crop it. But the problem is that we don't want to crop it to any shape. We want it to crop to that shape. How we can do that? Do you remember this trick picture? Okay, we bring it here, and then select the picture and the texture. Then we are going to use intersect to get this picture, and then we are going to copy this picture and from here fill it with the picture from the clipboard. You see, now the picture is fit with the texture and it's pretty looking amazing. And you can also, as always, give it a shadow in the bottom for it to look better. Okay, this is the end. We created this thing. Some of you ask why the videos are have not videos are small and don't long. The videos are short and are not long because we are going to create this tutorial on many videos but not much time for you to use which video you want. Until the next episode, don't forget to like and subscribe and have a nice time.